Hi, in this video I'd like to walk you through the checkout section and the settings you should use on your site. Well, this section is more of a personal preference, but you can just copy and paste what I do and just copy it from there. So, alright, so first one is customer accounts. Accounts are disabled, accounts are optional, accounts are required. I like to use this as optional. And then form options, click on first and last name because you're gonna need the full name of the client, so you have to ship the whole item. And company name, just keep this as hidden because a lot of people tend to get confused and they don't know what to use here, because they're just as a buyer, they just want an item from your store, they don't need the company name. And address line 2, just keep it as optional, apartment and unit. And phone number hidden, you don't need the phone number. And the order processing, keep this part as it is. But after an order has been fulfilled and paid, automatically archive the order. I like to click this as a checked. And additional scripts, this is where you're going to be using the Facebook pixel for retargeting your Facebook ads. I'll show you later how to use that, but this is where you have to come back in checkout and additional scripts. This is actually very, very important and you will need to use this, so I'll show you how to in a later video. And refund, privacy, and terms of service statements, you can just click on generate sample on all three of these and they'll just show up automatically. Our policy returns, our policy lasts 30 days. So you can actually change this to whatever you want. Let's say you want to use a 7-day return policy. So after your client gets the order, they can only return it for 7 days, and after that they can't return it anymore. But I like to keep it as 30 because it's just my personal preference. Like I said, you can put it if you in any number of days you want, so that's up to you. And the terms of service and privacy statement, you don't really need to change these, and then click on save and you're done. Alright, in the next video I'll show you how to set your shipping info, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.